to present an activity on atmosphere. Can anyone say what is atmosphere? The atmosphere is made up of a mixture, forms and layers surrounding on the earth. The atmosphere held by the place of the gravitational force on the planet. The atmosphere about 1500 kilometers from the surface of the earth. Composition of the atmosphere. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. 78% total volume of the atmosphere. Percent consists of the one remaining constant. The various gases are carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, ozone, and argon, and others. Structure of the atmosphere. There are 5 structures in the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Now, my friends are going to explain about structure of the atmosphere.
Hi everyone, I am Tanushree from grade 7. Now I am going to explain about troposphere. The lower level of the atmosphere is known as troposphere. The thickness of the atmosphere. Its upper limit is 14 km and about two poles is 8 km. It contains air we breathe. It acts as blanket protecting from the earth from extreme heat. It also traps terrestrial heat. The upper limit of the troposphere is marked by tropopause. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Purti from grade 7 to tell some points about stratosphere. Stratosphere is about 50 km from the Earth's surface. Stratosphere provides ideal flying air conditions for aircraft. This is because of water absence in water vapor makes this layer free from weather disturbance. In the stratosphere, there is a layer called ozonosphere. Protects and traps the ultraviolet rays. The upper limit of the stratosphere is known as stratopause. Thank you.
Mesopause. Mesopause is the middle layer of the atmosphere. It is 50 km to 80 km far away from the Earth's surface. It is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. Its temperature is minus 90 degrees Celsius. When the meteoroids enter this layer, it burns up due to friction and frictional heat. Mesopause acts as the boundary between mesosphere and the thermosphere. Thank you. The fourth layer of the atmosphere is thermosphere. This thermosphere extends up to 450 km from the Earth's surface. In this layer, electrically charged particles called ions. These ions reflect radio waves back to the Earth and enables radio broadcast and wireless communications. This layer is also called ionosphere, and this layer is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. Thank you. Exosphere. Exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. This layer separates the rest of the Earth atmosphere from the outermost layer. It's about 10,000 kilometer thickness of the atmosphere. The exosphere has gases like helium and hydrogen. Thank you.